We're going to the meant to be driven Cars and Coffee. This is my 8th Cars and Coffee. I rented a 718 Boxster because why not? And it's also my 7-year anniversary, the day I quit my job. 7 years ago was my last day, and I said I'm gonna quit my job and do this video thing, and it's been a long journey since, and now we're starting the new venture of getting everything I've learned in the photo and video space for the past decade plus and bringing it into the car world, which is the other world that I love a lot. So this is what that channel is. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna get on the freeway, go to my Cars and Coffee. We're gonna pause the music so we can enjoy getting on the freeway. Wonder if this mic's picking me up. This is all the test. This is the first time I'm ever late to my own Cars and Coffee. I'm always pulling up at exactly 8 o'clock. People are gonna think I'm just trying to make an entrance. First time ever. I'm always here at 8 o'clock, but I was having difficulty with this.
How's the Turo?
It's pretty fun, not gonna lie. These guys are leaving.
Yeah, we're leaving.
And they got front row seat. Front row. Unfortunately, I did not get front row seat, front row parking, but I did park right there, so it's not too far.
It's warm in here.
Godzilla. Wait, say that again, say it to the camera.
All right, one of these weekends, I'm letting this man take the AMG. Please don't crash it. Please don't crash my car.
I won't.
Okay.
Thank you
All
for
right.
trusting me. All right, later. So we are in a 2021 718 Boxster base model, but after driving it for half a day, it's enough car. It's enough car to drive every day. I've been driving it, hitting the paddles, and I'm surprised how nice of a car this is for being a base model, but yet it's a Porsche. What do you expect? You know, it's gonna be great. We came up to Cuyamaca and Julian for Meant to Be Driven Cars and Coffee. And after driving all morning in the rain and enjoying the car, it's time to talk about it. But first, we're gonna do a little and I forgot to put it in sport mode, but that was 90 miles an hour, not too bad. I'm sure a GT3 and a GT4 are a lot faster, but I think this is enough car for me and my skill level. Just throw it on sport mode, put the wing up. Woo. Ah, this is so much car. I'm the type of person that does not like to have a base anything. I used to have an E36 M3 and it was such a wonderful car. But after driving this, I don't think I would mind having a base Boxster. It's such a perfect car. Especially if you live in San Diego, in California, just driving a convertible car. You can put the top down, enjoy a beautiful weather, put the heater on, drive at night. If you're cold, throw a hoodie on, and you can make it a really interesting drive. So let's talk about the interior. The interior is all red. I'm a sucker for red cars. I love red cars, but I also love red interiors. I would pay extra for a 996 4S with red interior, whether it's black, silver, or white, don't care. But if I get the all blood red interior, that's money for me. That's just what I love. I'm a big fan of the Porsche 911. I have Facebook posts dating back to 12 years ago of me just talking about it and how bad I want one. I felt like I was getting close to getting a 996, and then COVID hit, prices went up, and I started realizing, okay, now they're 30, 35 grand for a good 911, a good base 996. And I figured, what's the next best option for a Porsche? It's the Boxster. My friend Adrian started letting me borrow his 986 Boxster. He'll give me the keys for 2 to 3 days at a time. And after driving a 986 Boxster that was lowered, it had a catless exhaust, suspension was dialed in, I fell in love with a convertible. I fell in love with the Boxster. And now I'm starting to look at the Boxster Cayman as an option instead of a 911. I think the 911 is great. It's obviously a lot of people want them, a lot of people have them. It's a very elegant car. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of car for the money, even if you get a base 996. But with prices going up, I have found some really clean 986 boxes for like 10 grand, 12 grand, 15 grand. And honestly, after driving that and now driving this, I'm a big fan of a Boxster. So if your budget is 10 to 12 grand and you want a mid-engine convertible, this is my option. This is my suggestion. Taking it easy. Ooh. Going up this road is fun. I like going up mountains instead. You get to push it a little bit more. this sport exhaust, it's like, if you don't have that much of a budget to get like a 911, if you have like 75K to get a brand new car and you want a convertible, I don't see how you will not get a Boxster. Especially if you're not a big car person, but you just want something nice. I'm sure your wife would appreciate this red interior. We don't go too crazy. We don't take them to the limit. We take them to where it's enough to just give you a little ooh, a little zazz, you know?